Welcome back, friends. From this video I shall start my work over how it works to show the how it works model box. Same like this kind of box. I will copy the text from here. So I don't close it. I come back here. Now I make a div right under the closing header tag at the bottom of this page, home.php, and I assign it a class model space fade and assign it the ID how it work. This ID which has been targeted here, and here inside this div I have created it. Now I comment it. Model fade starts and ends. Now I make a div inside this model fade div and assign it a class model dash dialog. Now I comment it. Ends. I make one more div inside this div and assign it a class model dash content. Model content starts and ends. Now I assign a class to it. I make one more div and assign it a class model header. Ends. Now I make the h5 tag for showing the heading in h5. First assign it a class h5 model dash title. How Computerfever works. Now I make a button. Its type is also button and assign a class close for showing the cross close sign. Data dash dismiss is equal to model. I have already explained you about this close class and data dash dismiss when I made the other model. Now I make the span tag for showing this icon n times and semicolon to close. Now I come out of closing div, model dash header ends. Now I make a div inside this model dash header div, under model dash header div. And I assign it a class model dash body. Model body starts and ends. Now I make the h4 tag for showing text inside the model body. It's aligned center. How to sell. Now p tag, I go to my browser for getting this text. I copy it and paste it inside. And now I have duplicated it. I get this text, paste it here. Now I remove this one and copy the next line, paste it here. Now I copy the next line, paste it here. Now the last one, and I duplicate it one more time. And now I copy this last one. Now I come under it and make one more H4. Same, it will be line center. How to buy. I make one more P and I duplicate it few more times. Make spaces among them. I come back to my browser and I copy this first text, paste it here. Now copy the second one, paste it here. Now the third one, paste it here. Fourth one, and paste it here. I copy it and paste it here. Now the last one is remaining. Now I make the beer for line break. So I come here and refresh this page. So now I click over how it works. So friend, now you can see that this box is showing here too, the same kind of box. This is the demo and this is the page which is being made. So I have successfully created this box in this video, and I will come back in next video to do the remaining.